Something massive is brewing on-chain. Uniswap just smashed through $3 trillion in lifetime volume. Their new Layer 2, Unichain, is exploding past $10 billion a month. And an Ethereum whale just bet $13 million on Uni this week. Here's where it gets interesting. Uni just broke a year-long downtrend on the weekly chart, and the targets go all the way up to $43. Is this the beginning of DeFi Summer 2.0? Stick around, because what I found in the charts and on-chain could make this one of the biggest altcoin moves of 2025. Let's start with the weekly chart, because this is the game changer. We're sitting around $6.13, and Uni just broke out of a steep multi-month downtrend. You can clearly see that clean yellow trend line snapping to the upside, which historically precedes explosive rallies. The Heikin-Ashi RSI just flipped bullish. The VRVP shows massive volume support under $6, and the Fibonacci retracement gives us clear target levels. Take Profit 1 at $13, TP2 around $29, and our golden third target at $43. These aren't moon boy numbers, they're Fibonacci-based projections. With a proper stop-loss around $4.50, this risk-to-reward setup is looking juicy. And now, let's see what the whales and developers are doing behind the scenes. This isn't your average Twitter flex. An Ethereum whale just bought $13 million worth of Uni, spread across 2 transactions, one of them just an hour before that post. That's not noise. That's conviction. The move was traced from Binance to a private wallet, over 2 million Uni tokens in total. When you see this kind of size and a breakout chart setup, that's what we call signal. And this whale might be betting on more than just price action. Meet Unichain, Uniswap's new Layer 2 built inside a trusted execution environment in collaboration with Flashbots. But why is this revolutionary? MEV protection, verifiable priority ordering, revert protection for DeFi builders. In short, this tech gives Uniswap the power to become the most secure and efficient decentralized exchange infrastructure out there. It's not just about trading anymore. It's about rewriting how DeFi operates. And the market is responding fast. This month alone, Unichain has already hit $10 billion in volume. That's an all-time high for the pink unicorn chain. In just a few months, Unichain went from a whisper to a market leader, contributing significantly to Uniswap's record $26 billion monthly volume across Layer 2s. With chains like Base, Polygon, and Arbitrum also gaining traction, Uniswap is dominating the L2 game. So, why isn't everyone talking about Uni? It's not just whales and L2s. Uniswap Labs recently rolled out one-click swaps using EIP 5792 support, meaning fewer clicks, less gas, and faster execution. And in a bold institutional play, Coinbase just launched KYC-verified pools built on Uniswap v4. This hybrid model of compliance and decentralization is huge. It opens the door to regulated DeFi, bridging Wall Street and Web3. You now have everything from retail users to hedge funds flowing through one protocol. Token Terminal just dropped the data. Uniswap is the #1 decentralized exchange by trading volume. $74 billion over 30 days. That's more than PancakeSwap, Radium, Orca, and everyone else combined. Oh, and the protocol just crossed $3 trillion in lifetime volume. Let that sink in. That's 3 trillion reasons why Uni is still incredibly undervalued. So now we have the breakout, the narrative, the on-chain proof, and unmatched fundamentals. Still on the sidelines? If all this talk about DeFi, whales, and new Layer 2 tech feels overwhelming, don't worry. I've got you covered. I created a complete beginner's guide to help you get started. DeFi Financial Freedom, the ultimate beginner's guide. It covers everything. How to stake like a pro. Passive income with yield farming. The safest airdrop strategies. Tools to master DeFi in minutes a day. It's just $4.99 and could be the best investment you make before the next leg up. The link is in the top pinned comment. Go check it out now if you're serious about building crypto wealth. Look, Uniswap isn't just surviving, it's leading. From whales betting big to Coinbase onboarding institutions, from $3 trillion in volume to a moon-ready chart setup, all signs point to one thing. DeFi Summer 2.0 might just start with Uni. Never financial advice, but if you've been waiting for a clear signal, this is it. Smash that like button if you learned something today. Drop a comment with your Uni price prediction, or what altcoin you're watching next. And don't miss my last video, it's on fire. Check it out on the end screen. This is Crypto Yield Pro. See you tomorrow in the next one.